1866, Texas. Cowboys were dying on cattle drives, not from bullets or bandits, but from hunger. When Caleb Morgan prepared to lead 3,000 cattle to Kansas, his fiancée Sarah had enough. "You're not leaving without me," she declared, rolling up in an old army wagon filled with spices and iron pots. The cowboys laughed. They didn't know she was about to revolutionize the West. Sarah didn't just bring a kitchen, she brought science. Her Chuckwagon was an engineering marvel. Drawers for fresh sourdough starter, Dutch ovens that cooked while moving, special racks that kept meat from spoiling. The cowboys stopped laughing when they smelled fresh bread every morning, hot stew after cold rains, coffee that didn't taste like mud. Caleb watched his men work harder, ride longer. Other drives lost cattle to exhaustion. His men had the strength of 2 crews. At Red River, the water ran high. 5 cattle drives were stuck, their men too weak to cross, skinny cowboys eating rotten beef. James the Bull Harrison, richest rancher in Texas, rode up. "Name your price for the wagon and the cook, Morgan." "She's not for sale. She's my future wife." Sarah gripped the reins herself. "This wagon crosses first. The man needs strength for the cattle." The water hit the wagon bed. Sarah held steady. Caleb guided the herd. The current raged, but hot biscuits waited on the other side. They reached Kansas 3 weeks before anyone else. Their cattle, fat and healthy. Their price, double the market rate. But here's what made them legends. Harrison and every other trail boss came begging, "Build us wagons like yours." Sarah and Caleb opened the first Chuckwagon factory. Every cattle drive in America used their design. They didn't just feed cowboys, they invented mobile restaurants. Sarah proved that true innovation comes from caring about people's basic needs. She and Caleb built an empire not on gold or guns, but on hot bread and warm hearts. Follow the Hat Legends for more incredible stories of love changing history.